No way, dude. That is not my car, bro. No way. That is not my car. Hon, that is not my car, dude. That is not my car. What are you doing with my car? No way. No way. Bro, no way. Is this my car? Bro. No way. No way. Dude, this is crazy. No way that's my car. No way that's my car. That is my car. Holy smokes. This is my... I love the color. What is up, guys? Hopefully everybody's doing well. Another beautiful day. Today is a very special day. I'm actually going to pick up my 8th gen Honda Accord. Just went through a beautiful makeover. It's got a brand new paint job and I'm excited for it. So pretty much I wanted to pick it up yesterday, but it was like, nah, just come today. So it's gonna be a little surprise. So yeah, so I'm really excited right now for the car. I haven't seen it since I think the last time I came in I dropped off the headlights, and I haven't seen it since. He didn't want me to see it, so he's got something in store for me. I'm not sure what it is, but whatever it is, guys, it's gonna be excited. So I'm excited. Are you excited?
I'm excited.
I'm excited, she says. Yeah, so I sent him a message and a text and let him know that I'm here. I just got to the place. Well, just got to his oh, what am I doing here? She got a work computer there. Yeah, I just got to the shop. Are you gonna be able to do that with?
I'm good.
So you're gonna have to probably leave it for a little bit.
Yeah, that's fine. I can.
Yeah, so I'm just waiting right now in the car, and I'm not even sure if he wants me to come in, or he's gonna send me a text, or if I should just go inside. But show you guys real quick. So yeah, so this is the shop. Like I said, you guys, if you guys want to bring your car here, you guys are gonna be satisfied with the work, because he does a really good job. And this is the shop, weathertech body repair. So yeah, so you guys can come check it out, and you guys will be just as satisfied as I am. And like I said, guys, his prices are just fair. He's not overcharging you for the work that he's doing, you know, which is just, it's amazing, you know, because for the work that he does, you think that he would charge a lot more money, but he's just a really good guy. So yeah, so I'm gonna send him a text right now, and then I'll let you guys know what's happening. So you guys will be in for the surprise. You guys will get to see the car the first time as me seeing the car. So yeah, so let's do this. Yeah, so I did drive my 9th gen, which is in the background right there. So yeah, I came to pick up my car today, man. I'm excited. I'm excited for it.
I'm basically filming your reaction.
Oh, are you?
Yeah, I do content creation, so.
Oh, do you?
Helping him out with that.
Okay, that's awesome.
I heard you do
Yeah,
vlogs, that's all.
I do. Yeah. What's good, Robbie? Nice to meet you. What's going on, man? Yes. I'm excited. Yeah, so this is the owner, Zishan. This is the guy that does all the amazing work here. You know, I've been telling you guys about him, and amazing. I was just saying, bro, amazing work you do, and you don't even charge that amazing price. He's a fair guy, you know what I mean, for the work that he does, you guys, I mean, and I mean, it's amazing. And you guys can always come by, like I said, and check out the shop and prove for yourself. You'll find the proof and see the proof for yourself.
That's right.
Quality work.
You're gonna see it now.
You're gonna see it now, because I'm about to see my car, and I'm not even, man, I don't know. I'm excited.
That's fine.
Okay.
So when the garage opens, don't look inside because you'll see your car.
Okay, go stand over. Go back in your car.
Oh, it's cheat. Okay, cool. All right.
I gotta go.
Okay, guys, so there's going to be a process here. So pretty much, like you just said, so there's a car that's parked in front of my car, and pretty much I can't cheat. So I'm going to have to like not look inside the garage and wait for him to bring out that car, and then eventually they're going to bring out my car. So it would have been so beautiful if it was a beautiful sunny day, but either way, I mean, I'm feeling very sunny and beautiful inside. And so yeah, so man, can't believe this. This car is actually done. I am so excited right now. And the fact that I got both cars here, because my 9th gen is right here. Bride is right there. So yeah. Oh yeah, and so I gotta give you guys a little bit of heads up. So I'm probably gonna drop this one off and get the spoiler done on there, and then pick up the 8 Gen. So yeah, so we'll see what happens. So yeah, he's also gonna do a reaction as well. So he's just getting his camera guy set up over there in the background. So man, it's gonna be a surprise for everybody. I mean, they already know what the car looks like, but I don't know. I haven't seen it. You know, so yeah. Oh man, I'm excited. I'm excited. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Anxiety's getting the best of me right now.
You shouldn't be here. He's supposed to bring out the other car first. Hey?
I'm so excited. It's a little bit chilly, but it's a little bit cold, but it's all good. I'm excited. Throw my hoodie on. Let's do it. Let's do it. Come on, bring it out. Bring it out. Let's go. Let's go.
So you gotta go over
I
there.
can't believe I'm this excited for my car. It's just a car. But you guys, man, you have no idea. I wanted this 8 Gen for a while now, and I just want to kind of get it redone and just get it perfected, you know, according to my likings. And, you know, I'm probably going to have this car for the rest of my life. These Honda Accord V6 6-speed manual transmission, they're rare. And so if you guys have one, you better hold on to it. And a lot of guys right now that are selling these cars, they're selling it for top dollars, you know, but I'm holding on to it. I've got the 9th Gen, which is right over there. And that is a beauty right there. Like I said, I'm waiting to get the spoiler install on the rear, but now I'm just really excited for my car. Oh, it's a little cold though. My hands are freezing, but man, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Anxiety, man, anxiety.
Are you spinning on one of the fans?
Yeah, no worries. Whenever he comes out, it's all good.
You need to go there so you don't look inside.
Yeah, I'm not gonna peek. I'm not gonna sneak.
Go over there.
I'm just gonna wait.
Go, come stand over here.
Yeah. Man. Oh. You guys have no idea. I feel like I'm buying a brand new Lamborghini right now, but it's just a Honda Accord. But you know what? It is a special car. It's a very special car to me. I know for a lot of people right now, they're probably gonna be saying, "Bro, it's just a Honda Accord. Why are you so excited?" Dude, it's not just a Honda Accord. It's a V6 3.5 6-speed manual transmission that is rear. And these cars, they don't make them anymore. So, I'm excited for the car. And, you know, I don't know, man. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Okay, let's do this. How much longer? Let's go.
Hey guys, this is Zishan from WeatherTech. This is my buddy Rob here. He's here to pick up his vehicle, which he dropped off 3 weeks ago for a complete paint job. He hasn't seen it yet. He's very excited. It's going to be a total surprise. So let's take a look.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. I'm excited. I'm pumped. I'm pumped. Oh man. I don't know. No way. No way. No way, dude. That is not my car, bro. That is no way. That is not my car. Hon, that is not my car, dude. That is not my car. That is not my car. What are you doing with my car? No way. No way. Bro, no way. No way. Oh my god. Bro, no way. That is not my car. That is. Oh my goodness. That's. Bro. Oh my god. Dude, that is amazing. That is amazing. That is. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow. Oh my goodness. Wow. No way. No way. No way. This is my car? Bro. No way. No way. Dude, this is crazy. No way that's my car. No way that's my car. That is my car. Holy smokes. Holy smokes. Dude, no way. No way. Bro, that is, oh my god. This, no way, man, I can't, how much time I said that? That is a, bro. Thanks, man. Yo, dude, that's amazing. You did a great job. Amazing job, man. Oh my god. No way. No way. I'm still stuck. This is like, I love the color. I love the black and red contrast. Oh my goodness. Wow. Dude, this is amazing. This is amazing. This is amazing. Ooh, no way. I'm still, this is my car. This is my car. This is my car, guys. This is my car. No way. This is my car. Bro, this car big. This is amazing. When you told me, when you told me about this car, I wasn't even sure. Because I've never done red before. But oh my goodness, dude. Wow. Wow. No way. This is amazing. I can't wait to lower it and no, I definitely have to lower it. I definitely have to lower it. And the rims complement it as well. Oh, you have some for it? Oh, no. Oh, yeah, because I'm probably going to change those as well. Oh, man, I can't wait to get it tint. I can't wait to, holy smokes. Dude, you have no idea. This, if I'm like, oh, yeah. Yes. Oh my goodness, I can't even tell you, bro. Bro, I appreciate it so much. Really, eh? I appreciate it so much. Holy smoke. This is my car. This is my car. Huh? This is probably going to be the only Honda Accord in the entire GTA with this color. You guys have no idea. This is amazing. I don't even want to tell them what color it is because I don't want anybody to cheat and go in. But it is what it is. You probably already say, but you guys, this is amazing. This was not even my idea. Okay, so I really want to tell you guys what's happening, okay? So originally, I wanted to change the color and get the same color as that. But, you know, I was on a budget, and so, you know, Z kind of said to me, you know what? I've got this amazing red. I think you'd really, really like it. I was a little iffy at first because I'm not a red person. But eventually I said, you know what? I trust his judgment. You know what I mean? He's a car guy. So if he said he likes the color and it's gonna look good, I trust him, you know. And so I said, you know, just go for it. And this is, oh, dude, like you have no idea. I know, like I still can't believe this is my car. I can't drive my car. This is, I don't know. I'm probably never gonna drive it. I'm literally gonna just wake up every day, just dust it down and look at it. It's gonna be like a showpiece. Oh my goodness. Dude, this is amazing. No. Thank you. You did good. You did good. Great. Okay, I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you guys for watching this beautiful video. I had fun. As you guys can tell, I was super excited about the transformation of this beautiful 8th-gen Honda Accord. I've been waiting for this for about 3 weeks now, and finally it's done. I'm really, really impressed with the color. It was actually a surprise for me, you guys, and I'm still like, I'm really, really still liking the color. Every time I think about it, I get home from work and I just go into the garage, look at the car, and I'm like, wow, yes, still a beautiful color. I really, really like it. And you know, shout out to Zishan, you know, at Autotech for just blessing me with such an amazing color. It suits the car really, really well. And but there's a few things coming for the car to finally you know, just really, really bring it home and just to really, really make it my own. Number one thing is the car needs to be tinted. The old tint that's on there needs to be redone, and it needs to be lowered. So definitely gonna get some BC coilovers, and there's a few internal modifications that I'm gonna be getting done as well. It's got the WeatherTech window visor, and a few other things that's coming for the car. I'm actually thinking about you know, doing an exhaust on it as well. And yeah, so you guys look out for that. I thank you guys so much for watching the video, and as you guys can see, I was so excited that I was just like, bro, that is not my car, but yes, that is my car, and I'm still thankful. As you guys can see, I'm still excited. I just actually finished editing the video now, and so you guys are gonna get to see this. But thank you guys so much for watching the video. Thank you to all you guys for subscribing to the channel, for giving the video a thumbs up, and for joining me on this journey. I'm looking forward to making more cool content for you guys. These Honda Accords are my favorite Honda Accords, the 8th gen and the 9th gen, and especially, you know, the V6 6-speed manual transmission. Once again, if you guys have the automatic, you still have an amazing car. It's still a Honda. You're still good to go. But thank you guys so much for watching the video. As always, you guys know what to do. Go out, love one another, get to know God, trust Him, and live. Peace.